Hey guys, welcome back to the Quad Method. I know it's been a few months, but we're back now, so hopefully we can start getting videos back up and running in the near future. But in the meantime, we got a couple really exciting announcements. The first one being, we just launched our new website. This is going to be the hub where we post new sheet music, new videos, announcements, that sort of thing. And before I go on about that, I need to give a huge shout out to Tomas Klassen, who was essential in the initial process of setting up the website. And without him, this would have been a lot harder. So thank you, Tomas. Anyways, moving on to the website, go check it out. It's at thequadmethod.com. The most exciting addition to our channel is now we offer lessons. And not just private lessons, but we're also trying to offer video reviews and other budget options for you guys to take advantage of. And the cool thing about this is that we've put together a team of, so far, 7 educators from all around the country that have participated with all your favorite drum corps and indoor groups to help you get the information that you want. This channel has always been about diverse information, not just stuff coming from me or my background, but also from people that have marched groups that maybe I'm not that familiar with. So go check that out. It's pretty cool, and obviously there's more development that needs to happen in that whole thing, but we're gonna keep adding content, keep adding more educators, and try to grow what the channel needs to be or what it's trying to get to. And the other exciting news is that we now have a Patreon. So if you support what we do and you really enjoy the content that we're bringing you and you're learning stuff from it, we'd really appreciate it if you could consider being a patron, because there are a lot of costs to running this channel and most of it is currently out of pocket. So if you guys could consider contributing, that would help us out a lot. Your contributions will help us acquire more assets, better equipment, more educators, and just bring you more world-class content. On top of that, there are some benefits to becoming a Patreon. One of the benefits includes getting access to an exclusive Discord where we have 30-minute discussions every week where you can get on and ask your questions and kind of join the community. Anyways, that's all we got for now. We're excited to bring you more exciting announcements as the weeks come and as the months come along. So we'll do our best to keep you guys informed of what's going on, but that's all I got for now. So stay tuned and I will see you soon.